Kia ora! In this video we're going to show you how to start your HIKO booking. So this is only if you have an active booking in the system. 15 minutes before your booking starts, you will receive a reminder email and a reminder text. In the text there is going to be a link which you can click into to open up the PWA app. It shows you what car you have booked, and in this function you can start your booking. You can unlock and lock the car from here. Just be mindful there is a delay. You can extend your booking and you also end your booking here, but there's more information about this function in the onboarding guide. Next, you're going to take your HIKO card and tap it on the yellow reader located bottom right of the windscreen. This is how you will unlock and lock the car and activate your booking. If your HIKO card does not work, please check that you have the right car, you have the right booking time, and you have the right card number uploaded onto your HIKO profile. If it still doesn't work, please contact the HIKO team or call Zilch at 0800 2ZILCH. Usually when you pick up your HIKO, it will be plugged up to the charger, so you'll just need to unplug it and return it. Check the car and just make sure there's no damage, or note any existing damage. If you find anything, just take a photo and email it to the HIKO team. Also check inside the car. Anything that has heavy soilage, please take a photo and send it to the HIKO team to report it. If you're traveling with tamariki in the car, please make sure they have the appropriate seating and child restraints. Now you can start the car. Remember, screen on, car on, and double check how charged your car is. If your car has low power, you'll need to locate a supercharger using the ChargeNet app and charge the car to a sufficient level for your trip. Once you're happy with your power level, you're all set to go and can now start your HIKO booking.